DYNX stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday is Dynamix stock buy. I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. Now, I am the only person in the stock trading space that has done 43,000 videos over 5 years and documented everything. So I've seen what's melting, what's printing me money and what's not. Especially with DYNX, it's just that it's a bearish market, you know what I mean? And it's just that the likelihood that the price keeps melting is very, very high. When would I not be bearish on this thing? Well, if there is a solid break above 13.15, right? Other than that, this is still one heck of a bearish market. All I will still keep doing in the meantime is still keep waiting for rules to be met. I mean, DYNX, I have like around... not much here, bro. Honestly, like... just a bearish market, you know what I mean? But yeah, I wouldn't be just selling randomly. So... like I said, it must break above like 13.50 in order for me to count this as something bullish. So if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description and I'll continue to keep you updated.